If this is evening by your own time, good morning. If this is your morning, Igbo speaker, you're born by Igbo parents, but you're having difficulty speaking Igbo language, you are Igbo partner in business, and you want to, flow more and connect better with the Igbo friend you have. Are you born by Igbo parents and you're having difficulty understanding and speaking the language? Are you a lover of Igbo by any means? You need to be here. This is where to be at this moment. Wherever you are engaged to an Igbo person and you want to communicate and connect with your in-laws better and then get accepted better into the family. This is where to be. So whoever you are, wherever you are in any part of the world, and you have any reason to learn Igbo language, this is where to be. This is a free live Igbo class. You can't get it any better. Just connect, just join us now and begin to learn free of charge, free live Igbo class. Yes, where are you? Join up now. As you join the class, you drop your greetings so that we can welcome you clearly, welcome you to class. Drop your greetings, say Ndewo. No, just type a chat and say no, say Ndewo. That way, we can pick your name and also drop our greetings to you and welcome you officially to class. So wherever you are, as you join the class, just hit the chat button and type Ndewo, type no, type Dalo. All these things are ways to greet in Igbo language. That way, we can welcome you to class. Woo! Freda Jumbo, you are welcome to class for the long time. Not seeing you for a very long time. So you're welcome to class today. Freda Jumbo. I was just trying to chat with you on WhatsApp and I was like, oh, it's long I saw you in class, it's long we spoke, and then I'm happy to see you in class this moment. Freda Jumbo. Dalo, can you hear me? Please indicate I'm audible enough. Freda, indicate you can hear me. Just let me know you are hearing me now while we move on very soon. Yeah, you can hear me. I just need you to confirm my audio. Okay. Leroto. Okay, Rich Ministry. Odema. Just a guy. You are welcome to class. Just a guy. Oh yeah, that's just a guy. Is he Kechuku? I've forgotten that your name again. Just a guy. I mean your real name now, not your alias. Is he Kechuku again? I just want to remember. Just a guy. What is that your real name? I want to remember. Lorata. Oh yeah, Ikechuku. I got it right. Yeah, I got it right. Loretta. Dr. Abdullahi. No. Welcome to class. No. Lerato. Rich Ministries. I think this is the first time you are joining our live class. Am I right? Are you our Rich Ministries? Am I right? If this is the first time, just indicate. Dr. Abdullahi. No. Welcome to class. Yeah. Loretto, just confirm that this is the first time you're joining our live class. Remember, let's just recap our rules as we begin the class now. Rules is that when you join our live class, you will need to hit the like button as you come, but drop a greetings so that we can pick your name and also welcome you to class. It's a way of marking your register. So you must drop a chat when you join our live class. Say something like no, dalo, welcome, whatever. Just drop a greeting. That way, we can pick your name and then mark your register and welcome you to class. So if you've not done that and you're in this class, please do that now. Number two is that you're going to hit, say, yes, it is, joining you live. Okay, thank you very much. Our Rich Ministries, great. So number two is that when you join our live class, you're going to hit the like button. That is a simple thing we need to do to us to show, solidarity and support our outreach and let this video be shown to more people. Hit the like button. That's number two. Number three is that you hit the share button. That way, this video go out to more people who might have need of this language so that you can also join and benefit just the way you are benefiting. So hit the like button, the share button, hit drop a comment or a chat with us, and then also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so. That's the least you can do to show appreciation and to show readiness to learn more, because we'll be dropping notice of further live classes. We'll be dropping new videos. You need to get notified. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be, notified each time we have a new publication. And if you announce new live session, you will be notified accordingly. So, okay, so that is what the few things you need to do. Please do these things I've said now. They are very important to us. Hit the like button, hit the share button, subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and then hit the notification bell so that you can get with a particular verb last week in our live session. What was the last verb we dealt with? Yes, just hit it, drop it, drop it. What is the last verb we considered? Waiting for you to do that so that we can pick it up from there and continue where we stopped. What was the last verb? Yes, who can remind me? Who attended our last live class? Who attended here? It appears almost, okay, just a guy. You were there last week. You were there, just a guy. Yeah, I think so. Ikechukwu, you were there. So what was the last verb we considered? Let's pick it up from there. Yes, waiting for you. Just type it in the chat. The last verb we considered last week. Let's continue from there. Yes, waiting for you to do that. Ikechukwu, what was the last verb we considered? It appears you are not writing or you didn't write. Please, it's important that you write in our live classes. Have a writing material. Biko, have a writing material so you can write. That's the best way you can remember what we discussed. You are not paying money for this class, so why not take full advantage of it? Have your writing material, write, so that you can always review it again and then continue from where we stopped. Da, that's correct. Da, just a guy has written that da, which means for. That was the last verb we considered. We considered several options and usage of that verb. We had da, we had ida, we had dara, we have gada, we have nada, we have dapo, and we have danye. All these things we are considered in our last verb usage on da, and we made sentences using that. So that is where we are continuing from. So the next verb, the first one for today, is fanye. Fanye. We begin by writing fanye in the chat so that we can know whether we remember how to write it well. We can, when we write it, we explain the meaning of the word and we'll start, altering it here and there and using it accordingly. So write fanye in the chat now. Fanye. Let me see who can get the spelling of fanye correctly. Now write fanye. That is the verb we're looking at first today. Fanye. Fanye. Write the verb. Type it now in the chat. Let me have it now. Type now. Type now. Fanye. Yes. Who is writing that? Fanye. You are not hearing me well? Please confirm. Are you not hearing me? You're not hearing me? Can you confirm that? I cannot hear anything. Oh my God. Oh my God. What do I do? It looks fine in my own end here. I was thinking it's flowing well. Same here. Breaking. Not everybody is not hearing me. What do I do? Hello? I'm just checking what is the problem. Is it my mic or the connection to my system? Hello? Can you hear me now? Is it better? Or is it the same thing? Is it any better? Anything better? I think it's affecting the connection. Can you hear me now? The connection. Just a guy said the connection. We can hear you. You can hear me now? We can hear you. Please, somebody else, you confirm. Just a guy say you can hear me. Can other people hear me? Because we can't continue if you cannot hear me. Can you hear me now? Yes. Just a guy say yes. Any other person confirming that? Loretta, out to say yes. Okay. Igbo, can you hear me? Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So we can move on now. Yeah, I just said that the right word has been, dropped, which is fanye, which is correct. Fanye. Fanye. That would be better. Let me change. I try to solve. Let me see whether it will be any better. I just changed my network source to hello. Hello, I just changed my network source. Is it any better now? Is it any better? Can anyone hear me now? Can anyone hear me? And that is not good at all. Can anyone hear me now? Can anyone hear me? We can hear you. Okay, just the guy say we can hear you. Anyone else confirming that? Because I just changed my network source and see whether it will be better. Can anyone hear me now? Okay. Thank you, Igbo. Okay. Okay. That's great. Okay, yes. Outreach, yes. Lerato outreach, yes. Okay, that's great. I'm happy for that. I just changed my network source to see whether that is going to help. Now, Loretta outreach, I said it should, if you don't mind, drop your real name because I like calling people by their names, if you don't mind. Okay. Now, while waiting for that, we move on. And I just talked about the meaning of the word fanye. Can somebody tell us the meaning before we go on to break it into the pieces and the usage? Fanye, what is the meaning of the word? Yes. What is the meaning of the word fanye? What is the meaning of the word fanye? Insert. Okay. Insert. That's one option. Any other option different from this, you can call me Lerato. Okay. Lerato. All right. Lerato. That's fine. So I should be calling you Lerato. I hope I can pronounce that very well. Lerato. Am I right in the pronunciation? Lerato. Please confirm if it's correct. Okay. Somebody has written the meaning of fanye, which means insert. Any other option? Insert. Any other option? Fanye in Igbo means insert according to Igbo. Okay, Lerato said squeeze in. Okay, I love these two options. I love their perspective. Okay, where is Freda Jumbo? What are you saying about Fanye? What is the meaning? Fanye? What did you say? Jumbo, can you hear me now, Freda? Please confirm you are hearing me. You are the first to join the class today. I want you to be carried along. Are you hearing me, Freda? And what do you call Fanye in Igbo? What is the meaning? All right. While you are waiting for that, at least the two options we got are right. Insert and then le rato said squeeze in. If you ask me, I will tell you that squeezing is more appropriate than insert. Even though insert is also correct, but squeeze in is the most appropriate word here. Squeeze in. Yeah, waiting for you. To squeeze in is what? I hope you are still hearing me. I hope I'm not lost again. To squeeze in is what? Yes. Somebody wrote Fanyen. Oh, not a blind. I don't know what this. Okay. I'm saying we should write the meaning of to squeeze in. How is it written in Igbo language? To squeeze in. And the other variations. To squeeze in means what? To squeeze in. That's the question. What is it in Igbo? It's not Fanye. Igbo, you are repeating Fanye again. I don't expect you to do this. I said to squeeze in is what? You have written Fanye before. I now asked to squeeze in. Okay, Igbo has written something Ifanye. Ifanye. That's better. Any other option? To squeeze in means what? Somebody has written Ifanye. Ifanye. Any other option different from these? Waiting for Lerato to give us, okay, better Faniere. Okay, that's what Lerato wrote, Faniere. We're going to see which one is more appropriate. The most appropriate one is Ifanye. That is Igbo's response. Second one, the I that has dot under it, Ifanye. That is to squeeze in. Ifanye. Faniere is the past tense of squeeze. Squeeze in. Okay, that is the past tense of it. We're going to get to that. In fact, that is the second usage we're going to talk about now, which is the past tense of squeeze in. Fanye. The past tense is exactly what Lerato has written. Fanyere, squeezed in. That is the past tense of squeeze in. Fanye, present tense. Fanyere, past tense. So fanyere, that Lerato has written, is the next word we are considering, which is past tense of squeeze in. Fanyere. That is correct. So what Lerato has written, fanyere, is correct for past tense of squeeze in. Fanyere. We move on from past tense and we go to the next one, which is will squeeze in. Will squeeze in. What is the Igbo word for that? Will squeeze in. A phrasal verb talking about future tense. Phrasal verb, future tense. Okay, will squeeze in. What is that in Igbo language? Igbo wrote ga afanye. Ga afanye will squeeze in, future tense. Okay. Any other option? Lerato, what do you say? Freda, please confirm you are still in this class and you are hearing me. Freda Jumbo, help do me a favor. Confirm you are still in the class and you are hearing me. Talking to Freda now. YouTube channels, join it. So whether you are subscribed to another channel, whether you own a channel yourself, you can just come in here and let's share ideas. Let's learn together. Let's teach others from what we know. So wherever you are, whoever you are, it is a free moment to interact in Igbo language. Come on board and let's do this together. Thank you as you come in. So there, two people have given suggestions. Lerato said gafanyere. Igbo wrote gafanye. Which one is correct? Freda Jumbo has not even given me my response. I don't know whether she's still around or not. I said she confirmed whether she's still here and still hearing me, but she has not done that. I don't know what happened. I hope we've not lost her. Okay. So which one is correct? Is it gafanye or gafanyere? No, it is gafanye will squeeze in. That is the correct, word. Gafanye will squeeze in. In fact, it will be written the way Igbo wrote it. GAFANYE. Gafanye will squeeze in. That is what it should be. We move on to is squeezing in. Is squeezing in. Is squeezing in. Present continuous phrasal verb. Present continuous, a phrasal verb. Is squeezing in. What is that in Igbo language? Remember, the parent word is fanye. Okay, Igbo has written na afanye. At least that confirms that my audio is clearer now, and then everybody is flowing now. Okay, the response shows that we are getting what I'm saying clearly now. Everybody is getting me. Am I right? So Igbo wrote na afanye. It shows people are hearing me clearer now. The network is better now. Am I right? Okay. So let's get your response. The phrasal verb we're talking about is squeezing in. IS, then squeezing in. Present continuous. And the parent word we're having in Igbo is fanye, which is squeezed in. And the phrasal verb we're looking at is squeezing in. And we'll say, what is that in Igbo? Somebody has written na afanye, which is Igbo. Any other option? Any other option? A network kama ubua. Okay, Igbo chugoziegi. Network kama ubua. Okay. Any other option? Any other option is squeezing in. Yes. Drop your option. Is squeezing in. What is that in Igbo? Na fanye. Na fanye. Okay. Lerato. That's a good effort. It's a good effort. Na fanye. Right. Lerato, I hope you have subscribed to our channel. And those who are coming for the first time, I hope you have done so too. What is that in Igbo? Go squeeze in. Okay, thank you, Lerato, for subscribing. Go squeeze in. Okay, how do we write that? Go squeeze in or go and squeeze in. What is that? Anaghị anogi. Oh, again? But you say he's not hearing me again. What is the problem? Anaghị anogi. Has it cut again? You're not hearing me again? You're not hearing me again? Anybody hearing me? Any other person hearing me? Anybody? Is anyone hearing me? Boyibo says she's not hearing me again. Is anybody hearing me? Okay. Anyone hearing me now? Boyibo, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Leratu, can you hear me now? Please confirm. Confirm you are hearing me. Yeah. It cuts again, but you are back. Okay. That is Nigeria network. It's not me. I beg you. I'm here talking and everything seems fine here. But Nigeria network sometimes will throw somebody down. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. Now, go squeezing. Ibo wrote ga fanye. Anytime you are writing go squeezing or go do something else, you should know that when you write ga, G-A, you will pick the original word, original parent word, and drop it there. That is go do this, go do that, go do that. You pick ga, G-A, and then pick the original word, the parent word we're using, the original word, and put it there once. So that is it. So Ibo is right. Ga fanye. The original word is fanye. When we say go squeezing, it is just put GA and pick the original word and drop it there. Ga fanye, which is very correct. That is the word there. Ga fanye. All right. That is go squeezing. Let's do our sentences now. Let's begin to do our sentences. Yeah. Number one, fanye. Fanye, the word is squeeze in. Okay. And the sentence is fanye ego. Excuse me. Fanye ego na akpage. Fanye ego na akpage. This is Igbo sentence. Translate to English. But write it first before you translate. Fanye ego na akpage. What is that? I hope I'm still live. I hope I'm still communicating. Fanye ego na akpage. Did you hear what I said? Okay, I'm still live. I'm still live. The response shows that I'm still okay. Fanyego na akpage. Somebody has written Fanyego na akpage. And that sentence from Igbo is very correct. Igbo, you are the class captain today. Okay. Squeezing money into your bag. That is correct. That is Igbo is there. That what she has written is very correct. Fanyego na akpage is the right word sentence. Please copy that down if you are writing. It's also correct. Word ifanye, to squeeze in. Ifanye, to squeeze in. Achọrọ m ifanye ya n'ime. Achọrọ m ifanye ya n'ime. Achọrọ m ifanye ya n'ime. Write that in Igbo, the way I said it. Achọrọ m ifanye ya n'ime. Write it. Okay? Okay, Dr. Blind, we got your response. Fine. Fanyego na akpage. Except that your akpage need to be separate. Two words. Akpa is separate from ge. Ge is your. Akpa is bag or pocket. So you separate it. Okay? Achọrọ m ifanye ya n'ime. Igbo has written. Achọrọ m ifanye ya n'ime. Achọrọ m ifanye ya n'ime. I think that is perfect sentence. Please, if you are writing, copy what Igbo has written. Achọrọ m ifanye ya n'ime. Class captain for today has written the sentence. Copy that from her. It is perfectly done. Okay. So anybody or any other option? Anybody writing? Achọrọ m ifanye ya n'ime. What is the sentence? Achọrọ m ifanye ya n'ime. Anybody writing? Any other person writing? Achọrọ m ifanye ya n'ime. Okay. Any other option? Okay, what is the meaning? What is the meaning? Drop the meaning now. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? What is the meaning? It appears Freda has left the class. I don't know why. Maybe because of network challenge. Freda has left the class. She's no more here. Okay, what is the meaning of this word? Achorom. Ifanyeya n'ime. What is the meaning of the word? Yes, achorom. Ifanyeya n'ime. Oh, Dr. Blind. Perfect word. Perfect sentence. Dr. Blind, you have improved so much. Achorom. Ifanyeya n'ime. That's a great improvement for Dr. Blind. Yeah, doctor. Great one. Great one. So what is the meaning of the word? Of the sentence rather? Achorom. Ifanyeya n'ime. What is the meaning of that sentence? Somebody should help me. What is the meaning of this sentence? Achorom. Ifanyeya n'ime. Let him squeeze in. Let him squeeze in. The sentence is achorom. Achorom. I. Achorom. Ifanyeya n'ime. So what is the meaning of the sentence? Yeah, Lerato has tried to do something. Okay. But that is not perfect yet. Let's see whether we have other options. Ibo, class captain, where are you? Dr. Blind, drop your option. Okay. Ikechukwu, are you still in the class? Just a guy. Are you still in this class? Please indicate if you are still in the class. Ikechukwu. If you are still in the class, let me know you are still in the class. Ikechukwu. Just a guy. If you are still in the class, let me know you are in Igbo, in English rather. Class captain, you wrote the Igbo. You wrote achorom, ifanye anime. You have not written the English meaning of the word. Okay? So where did you write it? You didn't see anything you have written. I said, write the English meaning of that sentence, achorom, ifanye anime. Drop the English meaning. You have not done that, class captain. Boyibo, you have not done anything like that. Please do it now so that others can pick it from you. You are the class captain today. Achorom, ifanyeya n'ime. Oya. Okay? Igbo, do that now. We are waiting for you. We are waiting for you to do that. You are arguing with your teacher. You are not, it's not good though. I say you have not done that. You are saying you have done that. You have not, are you referring to the first sentence, the second sentence? Okay? You only wrote Fanye go na bage and you wrote the meaning. This one, achorom ifanye anime, you wrote your own in Igbo. You have not written the English meaning. I don't know why you're arguing with me over that. Has anybody seen where she wrote the meaning of achorom ifanye anime? If you have seen that, please indicate, because I did not see it. If you have seen where Igbo wrote the English meaning of achorom ifanye anime, please say I have seen it. Anyone? Anyone? Oh, okay. So it's network. It's not me. It could be network because I didn't see it. It's not delivered. Maybe you sent it when there was a network break. So that's what happened. So just redo it again. Redo it again. Let's assume it's network. Okay. Redo it again. Achorom ifanye anime. Redo it again. Redo it again. Quickly. Let's move on. There's no time to waste. Let me squeeze in. Let me squeeze in. Okay, Lerato, that's what you wrote. Dewo, Adaugo, Igbo Anugo, Igbo Anigo. You are welcome to our class. I guess this is the first time you are joining our live class. Am I right, Adibo? Please confirm that Adugo, rather. Confirm that Adugo, if I'm right. It's like some of the responses are not getting to you. Okay, it could be network issue, not really mine. It is network issue. Adugo, when you join our live class, there are some rules you observe. You have done one of them by greeting us so that we can know you and welcome you officially. You also need to hit the like button of this live session. It may be under you, under the screen or above. Hit the like button, hit the share button to let this go out to more people. And then subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Hit the notification bell to get notified in our next lesson. or when we drop new videos. Okay, these are the few things you need to do. Adugo, please do that now. Okay, please, someone should retype it again because of those who are joining for the first time or who are just joining us now. The past tense of fanye is fanyere. Can someone retype it for us? Fanyere. Write it again. Lerato. Rewrite it again. You wrote it before. Lerato. Fanyere. Or Igbo, whoever is, having network then. Okay, fanyere. That's correct. That is the past tense of fanye is fanyere. It has been written. In case you are joining the class now, it is written in the chat. Look at it properly. It's fanyere. That is the past tense of fanye. So let's have a sentence with that. Ọ fanyere onwe ya n'etiti ha. Ọ fanyere. Dr. Blind, thank you for that. Ọ fanyere onwe ya n'etiti ha. Okay. Okay, Adugo, you have done well. I've seen your response. Ọ fanyere onwe ya n'etiti ha. I've made a sentence. Can someone help me to write it in Igbo language the way I said it? Ọ fanyere onwe ya n'etiti ha. Ọ fanyere onwe ya n'etiti ha. Ọ fanyere onwe ya n'etiti ha. Perfect. Igbo class captain has written that perfectly well. Ọ fanyere onwe ya n'etiti ha. That is perfect. Perfect. Now write the Igbo English meaning. Don't argue with me now. I have written now when I have not seen it. Write the English meaning. If you are writing, please write what Igbo has written. That is very correct. Ọ fanyere onwe ya n'etiti ha. If you are writing, copy that is correct. That is the class captain. It's very correct and perfect. So write that now. Write that now, and then let's have the meaning of that. What is the English meaning of Ọ fanyere onwe ya n'etiti ha? Okay. Dr. Blahi, I got your response. Ọ fanyere onwe ya n'etiti ha. Okay, your response is correct, Dr. Blahi, except that you joined two words together. Ya and n'etiti. They are two words. Ya is separate from n'etiti. So you have to separate them, Dr. Blahi. Okay, let's see the meaning of this word. He squeezed himself in their middle. That's great. He squeezed himself in their middle or between them. Between them or in their middle. He squeezed himself into their middle or between them. Either of the two is correct. So write that. If you are writing, copy that out and write it. That's correct. He squeezed himself to their between them, n'etiti ha, or okay, between them or in their middle, n'etiti ha, between them, in their middle. He squeezed himself in their middle. Ọ fanyere onwe ya n'etiti ha. Remember, if this is your first time of joining our class, I need to remind you that he or she goes with the pronoun or. Both are the same. No difference in sex. N'ime karama. Ọ na-afanye akụ n'ime karama. Ọ na-afanye akụ n'ime karama. Ngwa, write that in Igbo the way I said it. Write the sentence in Igbo the way I said it. In case you are joining us for the first time and this series seems too difficult for you or higher than your level, there is a way out of that. You need to go and then obtain our Igbo ebooks that are very important for beginners. It contains all the rudiments from the Igbo alphabet to Igbo numbers to two-word phrases to daily Igbo verb usage, 100 Igbo verbs and their usage, and daily Igbo phrases and sentences for usage, and so many other things. While listening to the audio, you listen to the audio while driving, while doing laundry, while cooking, and then while anywhere you are, while playing on the road, you can listen to the audio, and you can also go through the books. And the books can also be printed and the hard copy of it. You can look at it and listen to me talk to you every time. It's like taking the teacher along with you wherever you are going. So if you have not bought those ebooks, do that today after the class, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you very much. We move on now. Okay. Somebody say it's breaking again. Ofanyere onwe ya n'etiti ha. Okay, it's breaking again. What do I do to this network today? It's breaking again. It's breaking again. What do I do? How do I solve this problem? It's actually beyond my power to solve. It's actually beyond my power. What do I do? Hello? It's breaking again. Can anybody still hear me? Can anyone still hear me? Can anyone still hear me? I hope I'm not talking to myself. Can anyone still hear me? Please indicate if you can hear me. And also confirm that you heard my explanation on how to get our ebooks. Confirm if you have gotten that explanation. Lareta, did you get my explanation? Adugo, did you get my explanation on how to get our ebooks? Did you can download the audio 3 when you're cooking or doing laundry? You can listen to the audio while going through the book. You can also print the book as a hard copy while you listen to the audio. So you go through it. Your children can also go through it. And to get the books is very simple. This video, this live session or previous ones have a link to the bookshop. Channel description, the homepage itself. You go there and hit our channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. Just hit the link. It will take you straight to our bookshop where you can view all the books there. What do I do? What do I do today? Is it my headphone? Is it my phone, my speaker that is a problem? Or the network? I don't know which one. I don't know which one. Which one is the problem? Is it my link? Is it the wire of my mic? What is the problem here? Why is it breaking this way? Can you hear me now? Oh my God. Relato, did you hear what I explained about the ebooks? Did you hear me? Network, network, network. What do I do to this network? What do I do? Network. I want to remove my yes. Okay, the writer said she heard me very clearly. How about Adugo? Adugo, did you hear me on how to get the ebooks? As we move on now. Adugo, did you hear me or you are not here again? Okay. Am I back now? Can anybody hear me? Is anybody hearing me? Because I want to go on with this class. Is anybody hearing me now? Can you hear me? Yes, I want to get a response. Can you hear me now? Before I proceed. Okay. Do you teach Igbo classes? Of course I do. Inaya Black. I teach Igbo classes. I have live Igbo classes for personal teaching. I do that, please. And those people you see here that are responding very well, like Igbo, they are in my live classes, private classes, and you can see the way they flow in what we are doing here. You can know they have an edge. So those who attend my live private classes always have an edge because we go deeper. So Inyanya Black, okay, I do live Igbo classes. If you're interested, please send me email after this class to the igbotutor@gmail.com. Talking to Inaya Black. Is it Black? Yes. The igbotutor@gmail.com. Send me email for a request for private live classes, Igbo classes. Did you get me? The Igbo Tutor, the channel's name, the Igbo Tutor, no space, @gmail.com. Okay? Is that clear enough? Talking to Inaya. Did you get me clearly on how to reach me? Yeah, okay. So we move on from here, and then we're talking about Fanye is squeezing in. And I made a sentence, and the sentence is, he is squeezing kernel into, I'm even saying the English version. I wanted to say Igbo, so I know those who know the name of bottle in Igbo. Okay, I go back to Igbo. Ọ na-afanye akụ n'ime karama. Ọ na-afanye akụ n'ime karama. Write that in Igbo, the way I said it. Ọ na-afanye akụ n'ime karama. Na-afanye is squeezing in. Ọ na-afanye akụ n'ime karama. Write that in Igbo. Let me see how many people can understand the sound of the word, the spelling, and then we deal with the meaning. That's what we're doing here. It's called Igbo drill, Igbo language drill. Ọ na-afanye akụ. Some call it aki n'ime karama. Okay? Ọ na-afanye akụ n'ime karama. Perfect word, perfect sentence. You are indeed the class captain today, Igbo. You are the real class captain. That sentence is perfect. Ọ na-afanye akụ n'ime karama. Perfect sentence. If you are writing, please copy that out. Igbo is the class captain, and she has written the perfect sentence. And I told you, Igbo is in my private live classes, so you can always see the difference. Ọ na-afanye akụ n'ime karama. Okay, Mr. E, that's a great effort. Those of you who are joining our class now, remember the rules is that when you join, you hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, hit the share button for this live session to share it out to more people so that they can also join and enjoy what they are enjoying. These are simple rules you should observe, very important to us. So do that now. Mr. E, welcome to class. Ọ na-afanye akụ n'ime karama. Okay, you tried. But let's consider the two sentences. Which one is more appropriate? Igbo's own is better. Karama is not M, it's single M. Karama, single M. Karama is single M. Okay? And then your Igbo alphabets are not perfect, Mr. E. Possibly, maybe you don't have the Igbo keyboard. And it's simple to get. If you're using phone, you can always go to phone setting, go to language, look for Kwati Igbo keyboard, and install it. When you want to type an alphabet, you press it down. It will display options of Igbo alphabet and English one. O with dot under or U with dot under, whatever it will display. You choose the one you want to use and use it right there. Okay, you can also download that and install your keyboard and computer. You know, the Igbo keyboard can also be installed in your computer. And then I can demonstrate how to use that. That said, so which one is more correct? Igbo own is more correct. Ọ na-afanye akụ n'ime karama. That is more appropriate. Now, let's say the English meaning of this word. Now, interpret it for us. Igbo. Write interpretation. Yes, drop the interpretation of this particular sentence. Ọ na-afanye akụ n'ime karama. What is interpretation in Igbo? What is that? In English, rather, a word. What is karama? That's what I want you to know now. I purposely brought this sentence so that you can know what is karama. Okay, let's see. Igbo, the class captain. Let's see what she wrote as the meaning of karama. He is squeezing in the kernel in the bottle. In the bottle. You can see that. He is squeezing in the kernel into the bottle. It's actually into the bottle. Into the bottle. Present continuous. Into the bottle. So the one that asks the meaning of karama, you can see the meaning of karama now. Karama means bottle. Karama means bottle. Okay? Dr. Blahi, did you get that now? That karama means bottle. Did you get it now, Dr. Blahi? Please confirm you have gotten it. That is the importance of being in a live class. You can always ask questions and get instant response. Okay? Karama means what? Bottle. Okay? Dr. Blind, did you get that? Confirm you have gotten that so that we can move on. Okay? And the interpretation is very correct. He is squeezing in the kernel or just kernel. You may not write the kernel, just kernel into the bottle, not in the bottle, into the bottle. That's a few corrections I'm making there. Okay? We've done is squeezing in. Okay? Is squeezing in. What about we squeeze in? Ga-afanye. I will squeeze the cloth into the bag. I will squeeze the cloth into the bag. That is the English sentence. Now, convert it to Igbo. Convert it to Igbo and write it. I will squeeze the clothes into the bag. I will squeeze the clothes into the bag. The emphasis is will squeeze. Ga-afanye. Have we done that? Ga fanye. Have we done that? I don't think. We squeeze. Have we done that? I don't think we have done that. Woyibo almost got it, except that she added jara extra to it. Aga m afanye uwe ahụ n'ime akpa. Just stop there. Don't put akpa. I didn't say my. Ga fanye. Go squeeze. Go squeezing. Ga fanye. Go squeezing. Ga fanye. Can somebody write that for us? Go squeezing. Ga fanye. Go squeezing, or go and squeeze in. Simple as that. Go and squeeze in. Can someone write it for us? Go and squeeze in, or go squeeze in. Write it in the chat. Those who are here when we began, write it in the chat. Ga fanye. Okay, ga fanye. You can even use single A as against double A. But whichever way is okay. Ga fanye or ga fanye. That go squeeze in. Let's have our sentence with this. Okay. Go squeeze what? Go squeeze what? Go squeeze. Okay, ga fanye. Lerato, you're correct. Ga fanye. Go squeeze the seed. Go squeeze the seed into the what? Where do we squeeze the seed? Into the pot. Go squeeze the seed into the pot. Okay? Go squeeze the seed into the pot. Go squeeze the seed into the pot. What does it look like in Igbo language? Go squeeze the seed into the pot. Okay? What is seed in Igbo language? That is the problem here. Okay? And that's what we want to test here. Seed and pot. Let's know those who can remember it. Go squeeze the seed into the pot. Okay? Write that in Igbo language. Go squeeze the seed into the pot. Ga fanye mkpụrụ ahụ n'ime ite. Whoa, that's great. Igbo, you are too much. You are too much. Igbo is too much. And that's because she has given herself to learning. She's in my private class. She's everywhere learning Igbo. She's not giving any space at all. She still come to live session even though she's my private class. That shows how serious she is. So if you want to move fast, she also have our ebooks. Get the ebooks, read them when you are alone, when you're offline. Use every chance you have to learn. Get the ebooks today. Our ebooks are so educative and so helpful. You download the audios, listen to them every now and then, even when you're offline. You look at the book, you even print it out as a hard copy. You get them, it help you to make a lot of progress within a short time. Subscribe and join our live classes, private classes. That will help you a lot. So, ga fanye seed ite. Okay, lerato. That's fine. You are Ibonizing mkporo ite, which is taught in Igbo language. I think we're making progress here. That's how to learn. That's great. And those of you who are in the class, if you want to show us appreciation and support the channel, you need to do that, because even though we're having a free class, it costs money to host free classes. It costs time and money and research. And money is involved. Nothing is free actually, because some people are supporting. That's why you can get it free. So you should also support to ensure that this free class continues. And how do you do that? Send us super chat, super stickers, even as we are online now, even as we are chatting now. Convert your chat into super chat, or give us a super sticker, or give us super thanks if you are watching this video later. Just hit the $ by your right hand side under as you are typing something in your chat, and it will display options of what you can give to support the channel. You can do that now. Thank you for doing that. We'll move on now, and we'll pick another word, which is gabiga. Second word for today, gabiga, which might be the last for today. Gabiga. Can someone write gabiga for us? Gabiga. I hope I'm still live. I hope you can still hear me. Gabiga. Yes. Someone should type Gabiga. Gabiga. Yes, Gabiga. Who is typing that? I hope you're hearing me clearly. Gabiga. Yes, type that. I want to have a word. Gabiga. Gabiga. Yes, who is typing that for us? Gabiga. Great. That is the word. Gabiga. Let's begin it from there. What is Gabiga in Igbo language? Give me the idea. Okay? Give me the idea. Yes. Who is giving me the idea? Who have idea? Gabiga means what in Igbo language? Gabiga means what? Go through. Okay? Go through. Any other option? Somebody say Gabiga means go through. Any other option on this? What is Gabiga in Igbo language? Gabiga. If you have not hit the like button in this live session, you are not doing well. You are not supporting us enough. If you have not subscribed, you are not doing well. If you have not hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, you are not doing well. So what is Gabiga? If you have not shared this live session, you are not doing well. You are not supporting us. Amaim. That is a better way to help us to go on faster. Amaim, I don't know. Amaim, I don't know. You can type Amaim if you don't know. Okay? If you don't know, type Amaim so that we know we are not waiting for you. Amaghi, dot under the I, Amaim. Then put M at the back, which means I don't know. Amaim. Yes, Amaim, which is fine. I don't know. Okay, Amaim. They have to say Amaim, okay, which to pass over means what? What is to pass over? I just want to see if I can use my system audio, whether you can work. Can you hear me? Igbo, confirm if you are hearing me. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Igbo, are you hearing me? I doubt if you are hearing me. So I connect my mic. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? It appears network doesn't want us to have this class today. Okay, say yes. At the moment, I do. You can hear me now. All right. Okay. I don't know what is happening today. Okay, Loretta. Okay, that's fine. Okay. It's Lareto or Lerato. We move on. Okay. Say yes. Yes, you can hear me. All right. I go on. I have learned to always go on because of those who are going to listen to this class after it must have been uploaded to our channel. So because of that, I always have to go on. I've learned to go on because of them. Okay, so Gabiga is a word, and we're looking at to pass over. What is that in Igbo? To pass over. Response, to over. Is anybody? To pass over is what? Hello? To pass over means what? It means igabiga. 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 That is to pass over. It's spelled Gabiga. Igabiga. That is to pass over. I need to go on with the class. And then, for the sake of those who are going to listen after, okay, that is Igabiga, to pass over. Over is Ga-gabiga will pass over. Will pass over means ga-gabiga will pass over. That's where we are. We pass over. Ga-gabiga. All right. We have done one is gabiga akwa mmiri ahụ. Gabiga akwa mmiri ahụ. Can somebody type that in Igbo? Gabiga akwa mmiri ahụ. Gabiga akwa mmiri ahụ. What is that in Igbo? Run through this one and possibly end with this because the time is going fast spent and the network is not friendly. So what is the English meaning of gabiga akwa mmiri ahụ? What is the English meaning? Yes, if you know, give us an idea. What is the English meaning? Gabiga akwa mmiri ahụ. Yes. Give us the meaning in English. It means pass over the bridge or that bridge. Pass over that bridge or the bridge. That is gabiga akwa mmiri ahụ. We go to the next word, which is to pass over. Igabiga. Igabiga, to pass over. Achọrọ m ịgabiga akwa mmiri. Achọrọ m ịgabiga akwa mmiri. Type it in Igbo as I said it, if you can do that. Achọrọ m ịgabiga akwa mmiri. The parent word here is ịgabiga, to pass over. Achọrọ m ịgabiga akwa mmiri. Type it if you can, or if you are. Achọrọ m ịgabiga akwa mmiri. Cross the bridge or pass over the bridge. Or I want to pass over. Okay. Edi Okwoya, welcome to our live class. Thank you for coming on. Okwo. Achọrọ m ịgabiga. Achọrọ m ịgabiga akwa mmiri ahụ. Okay. I want to pass over the bridge. Okay, Igbo's response is the most appropriate one here, the most correct one. Edi Okwo, you tried. Achọrọ m ịgabiga. Your aqua is not correct. You spell aqua in English, not in tense of passing over, passed over, gabigara. That is the past tense of gabiga, gabigara. Past tense, gabigara. Is correct, gabigara. Don't use L for it, it's R. Okay, so I've made a sentence already. O gabigara nwanne ya. Write that sentence in Igbo language. O gabigara nwanne ya. Write it, waiting for you. O gabigara nwanne ya. Today, when you join our class, our live class, I believe this is the first time you are joining our live class. I'm talking to Okwo Lady, he or she. Both of them are having O and Ya as their pronouns in Igbo language. O gabigara nwanne ya. He passed over his brother or his sister. Okay, let's go. Pass over. We pass over. Ga gabiga. We pass over. Ga agabiga will pass over. And ga gabiga, write in the chat if you can, will pass over. Ga gabiga. And let's have a sentence. He will pass over the problem. He will pass over the problem. Yeah, that's Gagabiga Igbo Igbo. That's fine. He will pass over the problem. Yes, he will pass over the problem. Write that in Igbo language. He will pass over the problem. What is that? He will pass over the problem. What is that in Igbo language? He will pass over the problem. Write that in Igbo language. Waiting for you. He will pass over the problem. And finally, he's passing over. Nagabiga. Nagabiga. Nagabiga is passing over. We can write it in the chat. Nagabiga. While we do the sentence now. Ọ na-agabiga okporo ụzọ. Ọ na-agabiga okporo ụzọ. Yeah, I'm doing the sentence now. Ọ na-agabiga okporo ụzọ. What is that? Ọ na-agabiga okporo ụzọ. Write that in the chat. Okporo ụzọ. Write that for me. Write it now. Ọ na-agabiga okporo ụzọ. Yes. Ọ na-agabiga okporo ụzọ. Ọ na-agabiga okporo ụzọ. Perfect. Igbo has written that. Class captain. Ọ na-agabiga okporo ụzọ. That's correct. And what does it mean? Guess what it means. Guess what it means. What does it mean? Guess what it means. Guess what it means. Ọ na-agabiga okporo ụzọ. Guess what it means. Yes, what does it mean? Ọ na-agabiga okporo ụzọ. What does it mean? To conclude this class effectively, and we thank those who came online, especially those who stayed on to ensure that this class run to full course. Boyibo, appreciate you so much. I think you are among those that joined early and stayed through to the end, despite all the challenges. Thank you for that. We appreciate. And for all those people that joined, those who dropped and the line, those who continued, those who are going to watch this, and those who are watching it now, we appreciate your patronage and your readiness to learn Igbo language. Keep learning. And if there are other ways you want us to help you, let us know. We'll offer live classes, private classes. We have a queue for being here today. Kachifo, emailer. See you in the next class next week. Okay, Messia. Okay.